You have 4 inspectors checking circuit boards, and by the end of each shift, they are tired and missing defects. Your inter-inspector agreement is only moderate, and escape defects are running at 0.8%. Rather than hiring more inspectors, you turn to your quality data. 2 years of labeled inspection images sit in your records. You train a convolutional neural network on those images in an 8-week pilot on one product family. The result? 94.3% detection accuracy, false positives under 0.5%, and escape defects drop to 0.15. 2 inspectors shift from repetitive screening to root cause investigation, higher value work that prevents defects rather than catching them. Then you scale to 3 more product families in 4 months with a weekly monitoring dashboard and automatic retraining when new defect types appear in field returns. That is practical, end-to-end AI process improvement.